Outside our shores, another wave of military coup has hit West Africa, and this time in Benin Republic, where a group of soldiers appeared on the country's television announcing the dissolution of the government. Today, the troops, who referred to themselves as part of the Military Committee for Refoundation, announced the overthrow of President Talon, who has been in power since 2016, as well as all state institutions, and said that they had met and decided that Mr. Patrice Talon is removed from office as President of the Republic in their TV broadcast. The French embassy sent on its ex-official handle that gunfire was reported at Camp Guezo near the president's official residence. It urged French citizens to remain indoors for security. The soldiers also announced the suspension of the constitution and closure of all land borders and the country's airspace. According to their statement, Lieutenant Colonel Tigri Pascal will be leading a military transition council. Meanwhile, President Talon's whereabouts are unknown.